Hey, I'm Udit Ranasaria, and my 15112 term project is a multiplayer socket-based game called Tanks. Tanks is a pretty classic game where people control a tank that moves around on a map or a maze-type map and try to shoot the other people down, and bullets rebound, etc. I've added some twists to it and made it and implemented using TK-Inter. Every user runs their own version of their client program, whereas one computer runs the server. But for demoing purposes, I have two clients on one screen, and that's what we're working on, with only a two-player game. But the game works with more than two players. So the user starts off on a splash screen, which also provides the instructions and for how the game works. After you pass the splash screen, you arrive on the first mode of the game, which is the level building mode. Here, users get to collaboratively build a level, and the point of building a level is so that the users get to choose what type of maze that they want to battle each other on. Every user has a wall that follows their mouse around, and if you hit space, it rotates the wall. If they hit left mouse button, it places the wall down where the cursor is, and if they make a mistake, they can use the right mouse button to remove it. Furthermore, it's collaborative, so if player 2 doesn't like player 1's wall placement, he or she can actually just remove their wall. And so this goes on until everyone is satisfied with the level that has been built. Once people are satisfied, they can hit R to indicate they're ready to play the map. The game will not start until every user says that they're ready to play. So if player 2 feels like there still needs to be more walls to be added or something needs to be changed, they will continue adding things until they indicate that they're also ready. So now that player 2 is done, suppose player 1 says, nah, I don't like one of those walls, he or she can unready, remove one, and then continue. Now once both players are ready, then the game goes into the actual gameplay. So here, again, I can only control one player at a time because I'm on the same computer, but we see that both tanks are visible on the screen, and both tanks can move and are updated live on the other player's screen. The tanks can shoot, and the bullets will bounce off walls and continue. Each bullet has some 10 bounces. As you can see, the bullet hit this own player, so he lost. And player 2 won because he was the last person alive. The bullets collide with the outside edges plus every wall, and also you can use bullets to destroy other bullets to protect yourself. Thank you. That's my game.